SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of improving a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. It involves optimizing various aspects of a website to make it more appealing to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The primary goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid traffic to a website by enhancing its relevance, authority, and trustworthiness in the eyes of search engine algorithms. SEO encompasses a wide range of strategies and techniques, including keyword research, identifying relevant search terms that users are likely to use when looking for information related to your website's content. On-page optimization, optimizing individual web pages with targeted keywords, meta tags, headings, and quality content to improve their visibility in search results. Off-page optimization, building external links, backlinks from other reputable websites to improve your site's authority and credibility. Technical SEO, ensuring that your website is technically sound and optimized for search engine crawlers, including factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and crawlability. Content marketing, creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that attracts and retains visitors, encourages sharing, and establishes your website as a valuable resource in your industry. Local SEO, optimizing your website for local search queries to improve visibility for users searching for products or services in specific geographic areas. User experience, UX, optimization, enhancing the overall user experience of your website to reduce bounce rates, increase time spent on site, and improve conversion rates. SEO is a dynamic and ever-evolving field, as search engines continually update their algorithms to deliver more relevant and useful results to users. Staying informed about the latest SEO trends, best practices, and algorithm changes is essential for maintaining and improving your website's search visibility and performance.